how to use voice changer in Roblox. So first, just open up your browser, and I'm just gonna open up a new tab right here. Then just search for Clownfish voice changer, just like so. Once you're here, just simply click on the first link, which says Clownfish voice changer. Wait for it to load, and once you're there, you just need to click on the download button here at the top navigation bar, and just download the 64-bit one right here. Click on that, and wait for it to load, and click on save. And here at the top right, you will see that it is done. Just simply click on the exe file, and it will prompt you the administrator rights. So just simply click on the yes button. After that, click on next right here. Click on next again. Click on next. And wait for it to load. Click on install, and it is. And as you can see, my mic went out for a little, and after that, that is now okay. Then click on next after that's done, and click on finish. I'm just gonna go to my home screen right here, and once I click on the Clownfish app, it might automatically change my voice, so just be ready if my voice changes. So I'm just gonna click on it right now.
Now once that's done, it will appear here on my taskbar. So I'm just gonna double click on it. Right click on it, then click on setup, then go to integration or system integration. And as you can see right here, I have my microphone. So this is the one that I am using, my USB condenser microphone. So just click on the install button for the microphone that you're using. But for me, it is correct, which is the default one. And now just open up Roblox and use the microphone that is currently installed in this voice changer. So for me, it is USB condenser microphone. So just open up any game that supports microphone access, then click on escape, go to settings, and at the bottom make sure that you're using the microphone that is in the Clownfish. So mine is the USB condenser microphone, and that should settle it. And that's how I basically use a voice changer in Roblox.